damn it. Oh, got the key. It's a beautiful day, so there was no chance I couldn't go for a ride today. My wife was supposed to come with me, but she woke up with like back pain. And we figured probably not a good idea to come bouncing around on the trail with me if you got back pain. So in any event, I wasn't going to miss it on this day. It's freaking gorgeous, man. There's not a cloud in the sky. So I figured, frig it, I'm going to come for a solo ride. So here I am. I just got to the trailhead for the 340 West. I don't know if you can see that or not. Taking a little bit of a break before I get into the trail. I just did maybe 10K down the VRT to get here. And it's going to be a gorgeous freaking day. But I am already hungry. I didn't pack any food. So that means I'm probably going to have to make it to Kinmount to grab some food. Back to the BRT, so I'm gonna keep going towards Kinmount because I'm freaking hungry. Turkey vulture. Wow, something's dead. All right, I pulled over again. I just came out of that Old Farts trail about 10 kilometers back. Still making my way towards Kinmount because I'm starving, and that's like the, I don't know, the closest little town that you can grab like a bite to eat and sit down. Right by the river, which is cool. But I just pulled over on this bridge. I thought it was a good place to take a little break, and it's beautiful. So I'm gonna throw the drone up and show you guys exactly what it looks like around me. Got my sub, and now I'm gonna go park over here by the river. People are here. That's okay. I don't mind company. Guys fishing here. A couple of ATV fellas there. Good, man. Nice spot to take a little break. Billy. What's going on, buddy?
Nothing.
I don't know.
I only got a couple % on my phone, I just realized, so it might die, but...
Oh, okay. I think my GoPro's on. You might be on camera.
Oh.
Say hi to the
everyone.
folks at home, Billy.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
This is going solo. Sorry, a little busy today.
Yeah. That's it, man. I just got to Kinmount. I was hungry, so I kind of pushed to Kinmount after Old Farts to get a sub.
Nice.
And now I'm just gonna sit down here at our river spot. I got some guys fishing here, a couple other guys out here on quads, and yeah, have some lunch or breakfast, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is Kinmount. It's like a really cute little town. It's like a very small population. really not much to do here other than like enjoy the outdoors. A lot of walking trails, off-roading trails, you know, good rivers and ponds and lakes and stuff for fishing. But they have one kind of like a general purpose store, but it literally has everything. Like you can get like hardware supplies, you can go get your lottery, your cigarettes, whatever the heck else you need. But they sell Kawartha's ice cream, as well as they have like a sandwich bar. You can go in and get a sub, which is like kind of a routine. It has been for years now for us. Yeah, I went in and got a sub because I was starving. And they have like hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff like that, I think, too. But this is just my favorite place to come sit right across the road from that store. And the river's here. Some guys just were here fishing. Didn't catch anything. And that's just a beautiful day, man. Not a cloud in the sky, dude. I'm so happy I came out. My soul kind of needed a ride. You know, and solo rides can be really nice sometimes, man, especially like light trail stuff. Although I am thinking about hitting one of the expert trails. I think it's trail 90 or 95. I actually can't remember. But it's kind of on the way back. So I think my plan is going to be head kind of like back on the BRT, do trail 35 and 36, I think it's called. Kind of a small loop. And then try to end up over to that expert trail, and then slowly make my way back. Like, you know, I've done about, I think, 40 kilometers so far today, something like that. So I got probably about that to get back, and I'm about half tank of fuel. So I have to plan this strategically because there is no fuel stops anywhere between here and my truck. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on my gas and maybe keep it on sport mode. So that was actually kind of funny. I decided to use this drone and chase myself down this trail, and it lasted like 50 meters before I crashed it. So in any event, I just spent 30 minutes looking for this little sucker, and I was just about to give up, and I found it. There's no real damage, just that propeller's broken there, that one's a little broken, but all looks intact, which I'm super thrilled about. So hopefully the footage is good from what I just filmed that I can show you guys in the video here. Dude, I'm so happy I found that drone. That's sick. So now I get to go back to my ride. Still quite a ways to go still. Not sure what the deal with this is. I don't know if it's an outlook or it's a trail or what. Find out. That's a little steep. Oh, look at that. On the water. Okay. Now we're talking. That's pretty. If I can get down there or not. Oh, you know I gotta check that out. It's sweet to go down there. Looks like you might be able to. I don't think I've ever been here. Unless I'm just getting Alzheimer's, but I definitely don't remember this rock, that's for sure. What a pretty spot. Probably fishing here too. Wow, sweet. That's it, man. Ontario's playground, dude. Like, this place is amazing. It looks very inviting. If it was hot enough to swim, which it's not, I'd be in there. Oh, there's fish in there for sure. They're probably all in that shaded area there, getting out of the sun. Somebody's got a nice little cabin there. That's pretty sweet. Not a bad spot. I'm gonna follow this trail. I don't know, see where it takes me. Might just end, I have no idea. It wasn't marked or anything. And there's no private property signs, so I'm gonna explore. It looks like this trail just ends. Okay. Well, wait a minute. Oh, it looks like it continues somewhere. But it doesn't look very used, so I think I'm just gonna turn around and find a different trail. Alright, so we have the Somerville track here. Alright. I don't know. I'm just gonna go that way. See what happens. I'm backing up because that looked kind of fun. Huh. Looks very rutty. But the trails are so freaking dry that I'm not worried about getting stuck. Plus, I got a brand new winch. Yeah, there's no mud here. Okay. Trail was a bust. All the down trees still from that windstorm they had a while back. I guess they never got around to cleaning it up, so back out on this trip. See what else we can find. Falls that way. Okay. Oh, I know where I am. I know where I am. Let's go up this little rock here. Good spot for a break. Whew, man, it's getting hot outside. This is like that time of year where, man, the morning is like fucking 9 degrees, and then by lunchtime it's like 24, and I'm sweating. I got this jacket on. The problem is I got nowhere to frickin' put it because my box is full. So I'm gonna try to cram it somewhere. Could be it. I don't know. Check it out. Man, I was starting to get a little bit nervous. That trail felt like it never ended. It's one of their expert trails, but I did find my way back to the VRT, which is necessary for me to get back to my truck. So I'm not exactly sure how far I am from my truck. If I had to guess, like 15, 20 kilometers maybe. I hope, because fuel, I'm below half. And all you Can-Am riders know, man, the first half of your gas, just like a car, holds out for a bit. It lasts a little while, but that second half, you burn through pretty quick. But I really should start making my way to my truck. Now that was a great ride. My soul needed that. I call that therapy, and better than any therapy you're going to get sitting in somebody's office in a chair telling them how you feel. If you feel like crap, go ride. Go be in nature. It's good for you. But anyways, I'm making my way home. It's about 2 o'clock. I got about an hour and a half drive ahead of me, and I had a lot of fun today. Solo riding can be really enjoyable, but again, I just don't take risks for the most part. Take it easy. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, great. Maybe hit the like button. Cool. If you didn't like the video, I don't know what to tell you, man. Go build a puzzle, do some knitting. I don't know. But if you like off-roading, you're the place to be.